There's our buck moon, as the natives call it. Not supposed to be full yet. Very hot here the last few days. Now we've got Hurricane Barry coming up the Mississippi, I guess. Started getting windy earlier. Cicadas are in rare form. Saw some lightning bugs down here. I thought I'd catch maybe some. There was one. He's flying over my head. I can't move that quick. That's a whole lot brighter than in real time. There was one. Did you see it? There it is. It's white. There it is. There's a copycat lightning bug. It's a beetle, actually. It'll pretend to be a female, I guess. That's the electric company back there. And it will shine its light, its luminescence, while it's hiding in the grass, and lure the lightning bugs down to it, and then catch it and eat it. That's pretty much fake out we're all dealing with right now. There was some. Where'd they go? Oh, right there. It's a green one. This is the old pop-up. We haven't opened it yet this year. And as you can hear, my lovely neighbor. That goes on all day and all night. He's down over there. Where that street light is. Right there, that one. Not this house next to me, not that house next to it, but that house beyond the end of the street. And I guess he got busted, or his son-in-law got busted here a couple weeks ago, selling drugs. No, I don't see any more. Let's look at that sky. Looks like all the chemtrails blew out of here. They were doing it pretty seriously earlier. Well, I hope you're all safe. I hope you're all doing well, in spite of everything. In spite of the fake. Oh, I just missed one. I just didn't move over there fast enough. Oh, there he is. Oh, over here. Yeah, keeps moving around in front of me, but I'm missing him. There it is. They're pretty quick. They don't move like regular fireflies. Fireflies will hover in one spot, like in those bushes over there. And you can see them hovering about. Oh, here's one right next to me. There it is. I've seen some green ones and white ones tonight. Of course, I just mowed the front and backyard, so I'm sure I disturbed them a little bit. That little blue light that you see over there, right there, right there, is sky peeking through, just like this. That's the back of the house. Ah, looky there what I found. Yeah, they're at it. They can't leave it alone. Well, pardon me. Chemtrails make me sneeze. Hope you're having a good night or good day. Ooh, particles. Look at the particles. Oh, that's one thing about these old digital phones. They pick up the particles. Yeah, I see that. Ooh. Junk in our skies. Let's see if we can see that moon again. There it is. Looks weird. The mosquitoes are coming out to get me, so I'm going to bid you all good night.